cheers. Ooh, I want to smell this. Oh. Wow. 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 Wow.
Ew, nobody wants to
Wow. Like light beers would be like America, right? What we're tasting is
It's very far away.
it went to like bittersweet, chocolate, back to bitter, back to sweet. Alright guys, so these beers, man, they look a lot bigger than the Sapporo Can Reserve, but actually the Reserve has 650 milliliters versus 550 milliliters. Right, it's keeping up with Bryce and Corey.
So we're gonna try our Samuel Smith organic beer. Our first one that we're gonna try is the oatmeal. Brian is not really a fan of oatmeal.
No, I am, but my college days, I actually had oatmeal for breakfast every day at the cafeteria.
Really? In college?
In college.
I thought you would have something more fancier.
No, they got scrambled eggs, bacons, and you know all those breakfast essentials.
Well, let me smell it. Are you ready? You just smell like beer.
It reminds me of Guinness right now, and I'm not gonna like, because we're gonna start up this tasting with the darkest beer of them all. Maybe they are dark besides strawberry.
No, they're ales.
It smells like Guinness. Maybe it's just a fancy name for Guinness, and we're paying extra for organic. Added oatmeal hops or something like that. So it's one of the ingredients inside the beer, which is not gonna make a whole lot of difference.
It should not. It should
But
not.
cheers, let's taste it. Oh wow, it's not breakfast.
It's not lunch or dinner either. It's a better Guinness taste.
It does taste, yeah, it has
I like
more
that. This
flavor.
is actually something that I would drink in the afternoon instead of Guinness, you know?
Like light beers would be like America, right? What we're tasting
It's
is
very far away.
far away. Well guys, personally I like this and I would order it at a bar. It's way better than Guinness. It's just more flavors. It's not so bitter. It does finish with that bitter note. And we're about to play Nintendo Switch. I'm gonna kick her ass. That ass right there. She said she wants to be Luigi.
You know,
I'm gonna be Mario. And I'm gonna kick that ass.
wish ass. Okay, just so you know, Brian sucks at playing.
Ask about to get beat up in here. And who should I be, guys? I'm gonna be Mario. Who we got? Toddlette, Nabbit, Mario. About to kick that ass, you guys.
Yeah, right. I'm gonna win.
It's me, Mario.
Get that off.
Guys, oh, this is childhood memory game right here. Oh yes. Right, we're moving to our second beer. Here we are, second beer. Chocolate.
Not expecting anything, honestly.
She's disappointed by the oatmeal, guys.
Yeah.
She expected brown butter, brown sugar,
No,
oatmeal flavor.
I was thinking of, oh, maybe it has oatmeal flavor, you know?
Oh,
No.
it smells like chocolate milk.
Stop.
Guys, that smell like this right here. The Starbucks molten chocolate latte.
One of my favorites.
All right, you're excited? She's more. Oh, she's a lot more happier now. She was way down.
Dump it in there. They look the same.
Ooh, I'm excited. My mouth is actually kind of watery right now about it. So, you know, it's exciting for me.
Some of this inside. Ooh.
Leave it beside me.
All right, let's have a taste.
Ready? Cheers.
Ooh.
Wow. Wow, that's very interesting.
It tastes like a cocktail, but then you're like, oh yeah, that's beer. Like the hops of the beer.
What? My taste bud just went 360, guys. I don't know, was that with you? Like, you taste it and it keeps changing. It went to like bittersweet, chocolate, back to bitter, back to sweet.
Yeah, no, the bitter malty.
Wow, what is this?
I was,
5% alcohol.
like it's
Guys, it's good, but it's just like when you have a taste, so much flavor compacted into a sip.
no. Should I?
So, what do you think of this so far, though? Did it impress you?
It did. I mean,
By the smell, first of all, right?
No, like at first it smells like beer, and then I was like, let me sniff. So it's like, just the smell of it, you like, oh, you can smell the cocoa. It's like, bitch, you fool, what you drinking? I'm doing it for the gram.
Wow. You can taste it. Bitterness kick into it. Cocoa kicking. I like this beer.
Me too. I think I will definitely buy like the chocolate one. I'm gonna do a shake.
It's like a dessert beer for her, I feel like. But let's comment on the bottle though. Guys, what draws us to get these beers? What's the bottle?
Design.
The design. And we were gonna grab different things at first, right? But the design draw us, and then they have variety section. So
yeah, and then the
oatmeal,
organic,
chocolate.
we want to be more organic.
We want to be more organic because we want to pay more. That's all. Overall, guys, oatmeal cut. But the next one off the list, we went with apricot before strawberry. Ooh, difference in color. Oh, smells like jam, guys. Where's my toast? Ooh.
It smells like sugar candy, like candy cane. I don't know, like
Ooh, this smells
cotton
so
candy.
good. You thought chocolate smelled good. I like this one.
How it smells is how it tastes.
You tasted without me? Wow. So much for the guy that poured the beer.
Cheers!
Cheers. Ooh, I want to smell this. Oh, guys, I can just lay down. Oh my gosh.
It's very cold too, so it makes it 1,000 times better.
It smells so good.
Ooh.
Oh. Wow. Wow.
Ew, nobody wants
Wow. That is so good. Guys, I recommend you getting it.
Apricot.
Apricot. Oh, that's so... I'm getting the rest of this.
Selfish. The other one, then the other one is gonna be off with me. Look, look what he gave me. Look.
This is so refreshing. And it does not taste like beer. Can you even
It
taste...
tastes like a cider.
Yeah, like a apricot cider. If they make those. They don't make those, but... Wow, this is sweet. How much alcohol is in here?
I was about to check the same thing.
So that was the oatmeal, which was 5%. And the dark chocolate is 5%. So I'm assuming that's 5% beer. If Corey can find it. Guys, this is mind-blowing. So refreshing. It's a beer. If you feed this to your kids, and I don't recommend you doing so, I don't think they would not like it. You know when your kids, when they were little, they see the parents drinking, they're like, oh, what are you drinking? Let me get some. I know I did that to my dad. And when I had a sip of his beer when I was little, I was like, ugh, what? What are you eating?
I was like,
drinking.
damn.
It's called juice. They put juice inside. That's why. So it's like, what do you mean? It's like mixing orange juice and beer. You call that Blue Moon. Is that how Blue Moon make their beers? Can't have many beers, but this we might consider it as a juice. It should be all 5%
No, it's
alcohol.
definitely an ale. Taste it.
Yeah, it says it add apricot juice to it. Did you know they make apricot juice?
I think, but they made it's like a fresh apricot.
So far, I'm very impressed with this beer. I thought I liked the chocolate one until I met apricot.
This is very good. This is what we did.
Oh. You recording? Right there. Yeah, on that broad shoulder.
This shit. Like his skin is so hard. Alright.
We call that the boner.
The what? Huh?
We're back, guys. We're on a fourth beer, last one of the night. Our very last beer. We're gonna finish on a berry note. Do you think it's gonna look red? No?
I think it's gonna be like regular beer color.
She was right. Wow. I thought it was gonna be some redness in there, guys. I don't know. I was expecting a little bit red. Wow, you thought apricot smells good.
I want it all because, like you said, you took the last of the other one.
It smells like strawberry jam. Where's my toast once again? All this apricot, the strawberries.
It does tell us the strawberry is not like lipstick strawberry, soda strawberry, it's jam strawberry.
Oh my gosh. Wow. Yeah.
I have to see if it's... Oh! Si tú eres puertorriqueña, it tastes like those red lollipops.
Oh, I love the smell. So far, smell-wise, number 1. Apricot, number 2. Your boy saying it right here. Chocolate 3. Oatmeal, we don't want you back on this show.
Like, you know, this is... If it was cartoons, I would have hearts, hearts, hearts. Hearts, hearts, hearts. Oh.
What? Yo, whoa, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Do we got
This
strawberry
is the juice.
Strawberry juice. These people just keep on putting juice in the beer and name it strawberry flavor. What is this? Do they put chocolate juice in here too? What about this one, guys? Hang on, let me see.
Yeah, real
Organic
cocoa.
And organic chocolate malts. Wow, this strawberry ones, guys. Thumbs up. You like strawberry jam? Get some toast on it and drink a beer and just eat a toast after. It's not too sweet. So if you guys are concerned about strawberry jam being too sweet, this is not sweet.
But it has the
It's actually
flavor.
sour. A little bit
Yeah.
sour. Oh, I'm sorry, Apricot. You were too sweet. I found a better girl. I'm moving on. I never had this beer's profile in my mouth before.
Yeah.
Now I would say this is my number 1 beer. By Sapporo,
And the
by
second
Tsingtao.
one? What's your second beer?
Apricot! Woo! So good. We're not sponsored by this, but if you want to holla at us,
I must admit.
make my hotline bling.
I think I'm gonna go to England if it's cheaper there.
She can't hang.